do with your mouth? Does that help you cut better?
That's a little piece.
That's a little piece? What is it shaped like?
Shape sphere.
It's a square?
No, it's a funnel.
It's a triangle. That's an awfully good triangle.
This is a real eyes.
Okay. How many eyes are you going to give them?
One.
Okay. What else are you going to do?
I need to touch them.
Okay.
I need to touch them. Backwards. Yeah! Oh, that's a forest.
Oh, you're going to cut forwards, not backwards.
Oh no. It's cold.
What are you going to cut now?
Big triangle.
A big triangle. Okay.
This real triangle. Video here.
Yep, Rachel will be here in just a few minutes. Where are we going tonight, Lila?
Pool. Yeah.
Where are we going tonight?
Look at pool.
No, not yet. We're not going to school quite yet. Where is Mommy and Daddy going to take you tonight?
Good.
And what are you going to do when the moon comes up and the sky gets dark?
It's popcorn.
And do what else?
I can eat that's the moon.
What else are you going to do?
There's doors. Oh, there you are, Mark. There you are, stay here. Okay. There you are, stay here. Oh, yeah. This way down here. Yeah. No nice.
Oh, I think he's after Doogie.